This is one of the items that I bought because of the packaging, because it's so freaking cute.
Oh.
How can you not? It's so pretty. I didn't know what I want to buy. I wanted to get recommendations from Stylekorean Employee, so I was like, what's your holy grail to everybody? I'm like, give it to me.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Employee Purchase Part 3. So as you can see, we have a new face and old faces here.
Hi, my name is Baysa. I've been in Stylekorean for almost 2 months now. Pretty new.
Already?
Really new. Yeah. This is my first time participating in these videos.
Still a baby.
I'm still a baby.
Today we're gonna be showing you guys what we bought for Employee Purchase this time. So let's go.
Not just buy.
So I basically bought a lot of skincare for oily skin. A lot of
You're oily skin?
Yeah.
Me
I'm
too.
oily.
Oily to combination.
Now I got a friend. My first pick will be this.
You recommended to me.
Oh yeah.
So I have it.
So this is like bubble box. So if you apply it, it'll grow into like a bubble, and then you'll and then you'll look like a snowman in like 5 minutes. But I really feel like this really helps to take out everything from inside your pores, so that you won't have clogged pores that leads to acne. So this will be my one pick. But I usually like remove my makeup with a balm, and then I wash it off with water, and then I use this. So that's how I do it. It's a fun time, you know, to wait in the bathroom if you're like showering or something. And also my favorite toner pad. I've seen it from a video because I have to make contents, but this has a really cute shape. It's shaped like a centella leaf. So it has like the...
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I can just imagine.
I
don't
know.
what it looks like, but...
It's really... Oh, should I open it? Sure.
Yeah, open it. Open it. Like, show how it looks like.
Because usually toner pads are just like
it looks
a
like
round
a flower
one.
in the bottom.
Sneak peek, sneak peek. Okay, let me open it.
Clipper.
Wow.
So you
for,
can, like-
for contents. Wow, you're opening it.
Hygiene.
Oh!
Nice.
Okay,
cat.
I'll just moisturize my hands. It's very like the essence is like absorbed in the pad, like really
Ooh,
heavily.
For me, I mostly buy everything with like Cica, tea tree, anything that has
Asiatica, hyaluronic acid.
Yeah, so it calms my acne. If you can see, I bought a really
No, that's a real
big
sponsor.
amount of them.
No. How much you received?
100. I'm just kidding. This time I bought like 10 first because I made a content. You know, the thing is, for my team, we always receive the like new products first so that we can try it.
Yeah.
And as you can see, I have it on now. It's like the Hailey Bieber iconic nail art.
pearly.
Yeah.
So it's not a manicure, right?
Yeah, it's like a sticker, a gel sticker. It's really fast. You don't have to pay like $200 for a nail art.
Nail art is $200.
Yeah, if it's like a fancy one. So for this one, they have like a lot of designs. So I want to try like each one. Girls, you know each other.
What
Is it?
Doctors. Okay, so recently we had what is it, like a product
meeting?
class, like
Producing
Conference?
Products.
yeah, like
Kind of
a
conference, yeah.
class.
Wow.
From Dr. Shirako, and they put every product outside and then like let us try it as they explain it. And this one caught my eye. Apparently they have like a golden
Gold flakes?
capsule. Yeah, like
Particles.
Like, it really helps to brighten your under eye, like dark circles, like a panda eye like me, and also help with your wrinkles because it has like propolis and everything. So see, I'm easy influenced.
Is it Dr. Circle or Shuricle?
Shuricle.
It's Shuricle?
In Korean, it's a shurakel. So I think
I've been
that's
saying Circle my whole life. There is no CH though.
C-U.
Dr. Siracle.
It's suddenly an English class here. Also, I bought something in bulk again, 10. If you guys realize, I'm also using it.
나도 쓰고 있어.
But in the camera, you can't see it, right?
No, but like from far it doesn't show because it's so like
so thin.
it absorbs in your skin. I also did a testing on that.
How much you got?
We'll see.
It feels like it's kind of waterproof too, because when I wash my face, it doesn't really like take off.
like,
I have to take it
sweat-proof.
off physically to take it off.
Sometimes I forget in the morning.
Exactly.
Or like you have it on but you forgot.
Yeah.
You forgot, yeah.
What is? I really do recommend it.
Sticky but like smooth.
And that's it.
Good job.
Wow.
Like yeah, I think like you can put it in a bundle because they keep falling. I think you should like 묶어. I like organizing. I have slight OCD.
Oh, you have OCD.
That one's like kind of out of place. Hold on a second. 빨리 촬영하고 쓰고 싶어.
I know that feeling.
I waited. Okay, you have to say Baysa's box.
Okay.
Baysa's
box.
I got my restock. This is what I use like
So
ever
nice.
since I came to Korea. Really good for oily skin. That's why I wanted to recommend it to you guys.
What is the ingredient for this?
Jojoba.
jojoba. I
Yeah.
think it's Spanish, like jojoba.
I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this brand is all about like Centella Asiatica. So it's really good for like sensitive, acne, and like oily skin.
How do you
Anyways,
say that again? Centella.
Centella Asiatica.
That, remember the previous video I took with Chanu? That was me too. That was Centella Edge. Has some.
This is my restock because I'm almost out of my other one.
This is a gel, right?
No, this is
Oil?
oil cleanser.
Oil
and this is
cleanser.
also really good for like blackheads because you said before it's like all about pore care when it comes to oily skin, and this kind of like you have to do it like a 30-minute like kind of just rubbing the oil on your face, and literally the blackheads like pop out.
Oh, whoa. I gotta
Also
try it
recommended from TikTok.
영어 당할 것 같다.
Alright,
Oh.
and then we got this. She recommended.
So this is for sure for oily skin.
Yeah,
Sorry
for
I didn't
sure.
buy it.
Now you know, because like 2 oily skins got it, so.
Actually, Naomi recommended me, and then I recommended her.
Yeah, and this is also like blackhead.
Yes.
so.
This is how marketing works.
But if it's a good product, you know, you
Yeah,
won't
it's
be,
actually
like,
yeah.
shameful to
'Cause,
share.
for goods.
And then I just got one because I already have 3 at home. But I tried out using it and it's like so good.
I know.
Like you said, it doesn't show on your face at
Yeah.
all. I got toner, Hamish toner, very hydrating. Like I'm gonna be using this a lot in the summer. You know how oily skin is in the summer. It's so humid. You don't
Yeah.
want to put too much moisture in, but like hydration is key.
You just want like a lightweight
Yeah.
skincare.
Package
It's
also
like-
looks pretty.
Yeah, it's so pretty, right? Also, like most of the things you buy is because of the packaging.
I swear, yeah, this is 100% accurate.
right?
Yeah.
This is one of the items that I bought because of the packaging.
It has
Because
sparkles
it's
inside.
so freaking cute. Like, how can you not buy this?
It's really pretty.
It's so cute! And it's like, you can see like the little shimmers inside. And then I also got my restock. Holy grail. Everybody uses it. If you don't use this, I don't know what you're
Essence.
doing with your life. Because this is so good. Oily skin, dry skin, combination skin,
Good for
everything.
every
Everyone.
skin.
Yeah. I just
Sorry, I
got
haven't used it.
this guy.
Everywhere on TikTok.
And then one sun cream.
평강일.
This one. This is this boy right here.
Soothing sunscreen.
Is everything. I don't know why.
What do you mean everything?
Everything in the sense that I've seen everybody use it and heard so many good reviews about it. And I'm also doing marketing for this, so.
Yeah, I just realized like every single time you put the product like,
It's like-
on a line, I'm like,
Yeah.
yo.
And because it's like my first employee purchase, I didn't know what I want to buy or like out of like this. Some of the products that I'm restocking, I wanted to get recommendations from Stylekorean Employee. So I was like, what's your holy grail to everybody? I'm like, give it to me. Next, I have hair loss shampoo.
Is it also
Yeah.
from Some By Me?
Yes.
I
Some by
might
Me.
need-
A lot of employees recommended Some by Me.
Do you know the Some By Me's abbreviation?
Abbreviation for what?
Something by Miracle.
Ah.
Yeah, I heard it from someone.
And then next I got
Hamish.
Hamish. Bought this because it's freaking cute too.
They have the sparkles inside
Yeah. Should we try to open it? Because it's mine, so. Really?
too. This is
I
too
was like-
pretty. I have to buy it.
And it comes with a spatula too.
Oh.
How can you not, right?
I know.
It's so pretty. Okay, wait. Let me kind of. I saw you guys make a video out of it. The thing she did in the video, she did like this. I don't care if it does nothing on my face. As long as it's for the aesthetics, I'm willing to pay. You're so pretty. This one.
Oh, 이건 진짜 I highly recommend this.
Ooh, Sam.
First time I saw this package, it was like number 3. What the heck is number 3, right? Our boss literally just like, 쌤아, 한번 발라봐. I'm like, with his accent, I was like, yeah, okay, I'll try it. 근데 I see my improvements on my skin on my right side. I don't have any acne on my right side. I feel like it's kind of like deeply moisturizing. Like this is like a first like serum that I felt like, oh, deeply.
If you have like textured skin, I heard it also helps to like smoothen them out. So
Someone recommended this to me, so
너무나.
Probably.
Oh,
Jumiso. I forgot to show this too.
Oh, this is the firming
new
serum.
one. They just pre-launched.
Vitamin?
Recently launched this a serum, and like the firming sensation is just like outstanding. So
It always starts with testing it once.
that's the good thing about working here is that like you test it once and you're like, oh, this is what I want to buy. And
Yeah, and then you buy it.
then you have the employee purchase to buy everything you want. Alright, now we're gonna move on to makeup. I also bought this because
Eyelash.
pretty much like
Eyelash.
3 eyelashes to my name because I have literally no eyelashes. I don't know if I like pluck them out when in my sleep, but like it's so bad. So I saw the reviews on this on Style Korean and everyone was like, this is really good. So this is everything I've been waiting for because I was waiting for this baby
Amuse?
to launch for so long because the packaging is so cute.
Unbox.
I already opened it. But
I love this one. It's so cute.
it's so adorable. It's so adorable. The whole line is just adorable. It's also very dewy. I'm into a lot of dewy lip tints and lipsticks these days, and yeah, plus the packaging. It's great.
So choo-choo.
Yeah. Like it's like a very airy, kind of like balloon, bubbly.
Yeah.
The concept is really good too. So that's all I got.
Wow.
The second
So
one.
what is your favorite?
See, this is like you're asking your mom who's your favorite child. So how can I choose
Which one is
them?
your favorite baby?
Oh, this is deadlift.
연기하는 거지. It's actually like
Yeah,
really
들어봐.
light.
Surprisingly, this is mine. And even inside of this box, there's a lot of things about my friends, my girlfriend, my mom.
1, 2, 3.
Sensba! Holy Grail. 자,
Oh my
wow,
god.
이거. Okay, this is the round lip line. I bought all the round lip line that
포장도
is
예쁘다.
Docto
Docto
line.
Ample, Docto Toner,
The famous
Docto
one.
Cleanser,
You got all of
Docto
the-
Sleeping Mask, Docto Lotion.
Amazing.
Hey, Docto is our territory. No offense.
True.
This is for dry skin, so this is not for me for sure. Actually, this is like really, really mild, especially for sensitive skin and dry skin also. This actually helps to moisturize without any like huge irritations. I actually have no to
No
less
ir-
irritations
The
organized for
thing
me.
is like it's also non-scent,
Ah,
like no
yeah.
fragrance, so it's
Oh
really
yeah,
good.
fragrance free.
Like literally the toner when you're applying it, it feels like you're applying water. After you apply the toner, it's so hydrating.
Yeah.
Exactly. Have you guys ever seen this? Because
Ooh, Givenchy.
Is it?
no, it's Givenchy. Yeah, I thought that too. I thought the Givenchy. First time I would read as like what she said was like
Yeah,
Givenchy. I was like,
Givenchy.
wait, do they sell like international products?
Yeah.
I read carefully. It was like Givenchy. Natural beige, SPF 30 PA++. So what's good with the foundation?
Like a heavy or the master here.
So foundation is just makeup. BB cream has moisturizer in it.
So it's like skincare.
Skincare and makeup,
Makeup.
together is BB cream. Both of them have SPF, so.
Learn.
Yeah, I'm wearing baby cream though. Okay, some by me, the miracle line that I talked about.
I love
That's the
this
miracle line.
toner.
You have to use with the cotton pad. It wipes the micro dust. You see the micro dust in the 화장솜. I couldn't put this in the video because it's so disgusting, but I was really surprised about that.
I usually, if I have acne, I just put it in a cotton pad and just leave it like a mask. And it really helps. It reduces the redness and it kind of like calms out my acne. So I also have this at home now.
Oh, it also like anti-wrinkle.
Yes.
Okay, your favorite, your sponsored jumiso.
Jumiso.
I don't know. This is where my friend actually
this
wanted
a toner?
this.
Yeah, this is a vitamin toner.
Can we see the inside? No, you can't. Okay.
Sorry, not for me. So
Because it's so cute. It's like a tangerine.
Yeah, it's really cute.
so it's toner and serum. What's good for it?
It's good for brightening your skin and especially, like acne scars and everything. Vitamin C also helps. And in the morning, before you put sunscreen, you can also put vitamin C as well.
I remember you posted a video about like what to do with the vitamin.
Not with chemical exfoliants.
Scrubs?
HA, BHA, but don't apply it together. Yeah.
I have to explain this one. ILLIYOON. I made a video about this before because I have eczema on my neck.
Oh.
Remember?
You have eczema?
I used to have. I don't know. My face is oily, but at the same time, this
You
is
have
dry.
eczema.
Yeah, I always get it every summer. But like Jason again recommended me these to use it. I used it for a month. Eczema is like totally gone.
Really?
진짜 I like totally gone. So if I have to pick the favorite, 진짜 이거는 난 진짜 recommend 할게. 진짜.
MVP.
This is like one for the most, the best I ever actually did for eczema on my neck.
Hamish.
This is a game changer when you remove your makeups or like, especially for me, BB cream, sunscreens, like everything removed at once.
Even sunscreen, you have to remove it as well. So
Yeah.
don't forget.
I was surprised and I got a lot of views for this.
He got famous.
This is mine actually. This
My
the thing I bought is only these. 건강
no?
for
What is
diet. Jantizen is also diet.
this? What is it? Is it like
good for?
weight loss?
It like has to like stimulate your calories, like burning.
Boosts your.
Cardios, yeah. Okay, the reason why I feel so tired this morning is because I worked out at 11 o'clock yesterday. I finished at 1 and came home, took a shower, slept at like 2.
What the heck?
I will never do that. I will not
Yeah.
sacrifice my sleep.
Is that even working out? Do you even get energized from that?
I'll try with
to
these
feel
and then
less
see the
guilty.
results. There's gonna be a connection with my later on for videos that how did I get changed. My main goal is like I grab it
Whoa.
big, 20 kilos loss. So it's like 45 pounds losing.
So you aim higher.
Yeah,
So wait, do you have to eat the 2 greens every meal before and after?
yes.
Really?
And this is for every single morning to start the day.
Do it.
So stay tuned, I'll be changed.
Okay, so that's it for our employee purchase unboxing. And if you want to buy one of the products that we mentioned here, you can just go to the link down below.
If you recognize any products that we got or you have your holy grails, comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
So many things to try, like seriously. I'm holding myself.
Not enough money in my bank account.
I know. That's why I cannot try everything.
자, if you guys are running out of bank accounts, join Stylekorean Employee. Apply for Stylekorean Employee. You can get this for cheaper price.
Can you say that again? The camera cut out your face.